Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Claudia. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend about my channel. And guys, don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And in today's video guys, I'll be showing you my updated nighttime routine. So if that interests you, keep on watching. Okay, so guys, I'm using some more other products. I used to use the Ordinary, then I changed to the Inkalis. Now I changed to other different products. So I did Paula's Choice. So I went to Sephora the other day and I got a few stuff. I got the niacinamide Glow Recipe. So this one, Glow Recipe Niacinamide. And I also got the vitamin C, the guava. It's the guava vitamin C for dark spot, which the dark spot I'm targeting right now. And then I got the Paula's Choice Retinol. And I got the Paula's Choice Exfoliator. And I also got the lip mask, the Laneige lip mask. And I also got the Laneige sleeping mask. So this is all the product. Guys, I had this for a while. And I got this at Winners. Believe it or not, I got this at Winners. So I'm going to show you what I do to keep getting my face as how it is. Guys, I'm gonna show a picture. I did this, I showed you before my face looked like before it get to this. It was my face was terrible. It was terrible. So I'm gonna show you a picture. I don't know which side I'm gonna put it up, but I'm gonna show you the picture. So here goes. I'm gonna start doing it. So guys, this is not new. These are not new. So as you know, I used to use the Ordinary before. Then I use the Inkalis. Now I'm changing to a lot of variety. I just go, and when I go in, if I read and said I want to try some of them, so I try. So this I had a while before. This is the Peter Thomas Roth. It's a mask, a pumpkin mask. This is what it looks like. So what I'll do, I use this just only in the weekends. So I'll use this like Saturday, Sunday. And then what I use this in the shower I just put it on like 5-10 minutes before I shower. Then when I put this on, I go in the shower and then I wash it off with this. And this is a brightener cleanser, and this is from the Inkalis. So this is what it looks like. So this is the mask, and this is what I use in the shower to cleanse my face. Then I use the exfoliator. This is the exfoliator from Paula's Choice. So this is what I use. And then this is the cotton pod I've been using this for a while, and this is from Shoppers Drug Mart. It's called Luxury Face Pod Cleanser. So this is what I use, and I use the oval one. However, you could buy wherever you want to buy it, but these are the ones I use. And I already did my face, guys, with this. So, yeah. And it's Paula's Choice. And I went online, and this have good reviews. And, guys, I'm going to list them below. All I buy, I'm going to list them below. So you could see if you like it, you could buy. So, yeah, guys. So, this is what. So, guys, the next product I'm going to use is this Glow Recipe Niacinamide. So this is what I'm going to use, and I'm going to put it on my face. Guys, I just give it 2 pumps. However, you could give it one pump. So I put my stuff right here, guys. So I'm just going to put it on my face. Okay, guys, so the next one is the Paula's Choice Retinol, guys, and I'm gonna get just 2 pump. Was that 2 or is that more than 2? I don't know, much more than 2, guys. So this is what it looks like. One more pump, guys, for my neck. So guys, then I'll use the Laneige sleeping mask. This one is a cream, guys. It's a cream. So the sleeping mask, guys, most of these stuff I use them twice a day. Not twice a day. Twice in the night. What am I saying? Guys, yeah, so. Okay, guys, so, okay, let me tell you how I'm gonna use this. The retinol, I'm gonna use it twice a week. The sleeping mask, I'm gonna use it twice a week. And the niacinamide, I'm gonna use it like every day. But guys, most of these stuff I just alternate them like twice a week. So when if I don't use this one, I use the exfoliator. When I don't use the exfoliator, I do the sleeping mask and so on. I don't use them all together and use them like 5 times a week. I use them like twice. So I don't use everything all at once. So the last one is my lip mask. So the last one, guys, is the Laneige lip mask. So this, it comes with a little spoolie. You took it out, so I usually just put it on my finger and then I just dab it all over. So that's my updated nighttime routine, guys. So guys, yeah, guys, sometimes I will use guys, this is one I also use as well. It's a Dr. Dennis Cross and it's an Extra Scent Daily Peel. This one, it's not new. My box almost finished. So this is one I use twice a week as well. Yeah, guys, so you know, I'm just trying to see if I could get these spots off. I have a couple spots right here. I need to get off these spots. They're not bad. They're almost gone, just 2. But I'm just trying to see if it could clear up everything. Don't know what's gonna happen yet, but I'm just trying stuff. So yeah, guys, so that's my nighttime routine. So now I'm just gonna drink a cup of mint tea or a cup of sour tea. Not sure which one I'm gonna drink yet because I love my sour tea or my mint tea. Then brush my teeth and I'm off to bed. So guys, this is the end of the video. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel. And guys, don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So I catch you in my next video, guys. Bye. Ta-ta. Walk good. Sleep good. Bye, guys.